Number 68 is getting us ready for the next one, this ocean piece. And so what we're doing is we have this this hooked bowing of a C sharp, C natural, B. And so we want to get used to sliding this finger back and forth. So at first it's going to be a sharp for us next to that third finger, and then next it's going to be next to that first finger. So we're just going to slide it back. But because we have this bowing, this hooked bowing, we have that staccato. So we're doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to sneak that slide in during that brief stop with my bow so that we don't hear it. So it's going to be a 1, 2, 3, C sharp, 2, 3. So before we do it with the slur or the staccato, let's play A, B, C natural, C sharp, D, C sharp, C natural, B, A. Just to see how that feels. Low 2, high 2, 3, high 2, low 2. Again. I snap it into place when I do that slide. Bum, 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 bum. So D, C sharp, C natural, B, 2, 3, C natural, C sharp, D, 2, 3, sharp, natural, B, and then G. Okay, let's do it with that bow. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 2, 3, C sharp, snap, 2, 3, 2, snap,